Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, fog lights, compass, power brakes, clock, trip odometer. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.